Horror as deadly asteroid passes inside our own ring of satellites. Good morning everyone. It's being reported in various papers that a massive asteroid screamed over 20 times closer to the Earth than the Moon yesterday, whilst we were in our beds sleeping or busy at work. The asteroid, as you can see, called 2017 EA, missed us by less than 9,000 miles. Now, to put that into context, that's closer than the distance from the United Kingdom to Australia. Just 9,000 miles, and the deadly asteroid came within our own ring of satellites. The Centre for Near-Earth Objects said a small near-Earth asteroid less than 3 meters or 10 feet across whizzed safely past Earth today at a distance so close that it passed well inside the ring of geosynchronous satellites. At its closest point, this asteroid was 20 times closer than the Moon. It then moved into the daytime sky and can no longer be observed by ground-based satellites. According to NASA, 2017 EA was originally detected only 6 hours before its closest approach, which is absolutely frightening. That we are spotting these objects so late, and we're going to get no warning if one was to collide with the Earth. This detection was made by the NASA-funded Catalina Sky Survey near Tucson, Arizona. It was observed by several other observatories before it passed into the Earth's shadow. Even though 2017 EA was tracked for only a single day, its orbit is now known quite accurately. Studies by the CNEOS site run by NASA indicate that this particular asteroid will not approach our planet this close again for at least 100 years. So if we do go over to the NASA Near-Earth Object site, you'll see that the closest approach of this satellite to Earth was at 6:04 AM PST, which is 9:04 AM EST, at an altitude of only 14,500 kilometers or 9,000 miles above the eastern Pacific Ocean. So what are the chances of the Earth being hit by an asteroid that created this crater and many others you see on the planet and on our Moon? Well, looking at the NASA close approach table, you'll see that there are always asteroids coming very close in our direction. In fact, if you just look down the table here, you'll see that many of the asteroids on the table are coming closer to the Earth than our Sun. However, a university professor has actually worked out the odds of the Earth and us being wiped out by an asteroid. So the odds of dying in a car accident is 1 in 90, of dying from a tornado is 1 in 60,000, it's 1 in 135,000 of dying from lightning, 1 in 8 million of dying from a shark attack, and you have 1 chance in 195 million of winning the Powerball lottery. So what are the odds of being killed by an asteroid? Well, it's going to be slightly different than what you think. So let's take a look at what the actual odds are. So as you can see there, Stephen A. Nelson, who is the University Earth Sciences professor at Tulane University, has calculated the odds of being struck by an asteroid at 1 in 75,000. Now, it's surprisingly high, and it's because when massive objects have hit the Earth in the past, it's wiped out millions of organisms. It's killed whole species, and you have to remember that most people that die from asteroid strikes aren't actually killed by the strike. They're either killed by tsunamis after the strike, or in fact if the asteroid hits the atmosphere and explodes like it did recently in Russia, they're killed by the shockwave and the heat from the strike. However, having said that, nobody, as far as I know, has been killed by an asteroid strike in my lifetime, and I'm hoping that will long continue. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my other videos for more information on both asteroids and other things which may well affect your future. Bye bye now.